Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we will be diving deep into one of the most talked about diet trends in recent years, the keto diet. Is it truly a game changer for health and weight loss, or is it just another overhyped fad? To find out, I had decided to challenge myself and follow the keto diet for one full week, no cheats, no shortcuts. But before I take you through my experience, let's break down the science, the claims, the controversy, and most importantly, what experts are saying about it. For those unfamiliar, the keto diet is a high-fat, very low-carbohydrate, and moderate protein diet. It forces your body into a state called ketosis, where it burns fat instead of carbs for energy. So instead of getting energy from bread, pasta, or fruit, your body starts using fats and producing ketones, which become your new fuel source. People following keto typically get around 70-75% of their daily calories from fat, 20-25% from protein, and only 5-10% from carbohydrates. That means no sugar, no rice, no wheat, no potatoes, and even most fruits are off limits. So why are so many people doing it? Keto has been praised for rapid weight loss, improved mental clarity, steady energy levels without crashes, and even medical benefits like helping manage epilepsy and type 2 diabetes. You've probably seen celebrities and influencers raving about how keto helped them transform their bodies. And yes, for many people, it does work, especially in the short term. When you cut carbs drastically, your body starts burning stored fat quickly. That can result in dramatic weight loss early on. But here's where it gets tricky. Many health professionals and dietitians are raising red flags. Why? Let's look at some of the criticisms. It's highly restrictive, cutting out entire food groups like grains, fruits, and legumes. That can lead to nutrient deficiencies, especially in fiber, B vitamins, and antioxidants. It may increase levels of LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, raising concerns for those at risk of heart disease. And let's not forget the dreaded keto flu, a group of temporary symptoms like fatigue, brain fog, and irritability that many people experience in the first few days. More importantly, long-term studies on keto are still limited. We don't fully understand the effects of staying on such a restrictive diet for years. So, what was my personal experience like? Day 1 was exciting. I prepped eggs, avocados, and lots of cheese. But by day 3, I was definitely feeling the keto flu, low energy, headaches, and cravings for bread like never before. By day 5, things started to improve. I felt a boost in focus and my appetite dropped. I wasn't snacking as much, and my meals kept me full for longer. By the end of the week, I had lost some weight, felt more clear-headed, but also missed a lot of my usual foods. It was a mixed experience, rewarding, yes, but also difficult to maintain socially and mentally. Let's look at what recent research says. Short-term studies support keto for quick weight loss, better blood sugar control, reduced appetite. But long-term studies raise concerns. It may be hard to sustain, risk of nutrient gaps, unknown effects on gut health. Some experts now recommend a modified low-carb approach, one that includes more fiber, plant-based fats, and fewer restrictions. And remember, not everyone responds to keto the same way. Factors like age, sex, activity level, and existing medical conditions all play a role. That's why personalized nutrition is becoming a huge focus in healthcare today. So, is the keto diet good or bad? The truth is, it depends. For some, it can be a powerful tool to lose weight, stabilize energy levels, and take control of blood sugar. But for others, it might be too restrictive, lead to nutrient deficiencies, and be unsustainable long-term. Always talk to a healthcare provider or registered dietitian before jumping into keto or any extreme diet. There's no one-size-fits-all approach when it comes to health. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried the keto diet? Did it work for you? What challenges did you face? Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I'd love to start a conversation with you. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone considering keto, and hit that subscribe button for more weekly content on health, nutrition, and wellness.